We're gonna be shaking ass and I cry. The amount of preparation that you need to do before you go to Ghana is so I want to share with y'all all the things that you probably need or that would be a convenience to you when you go to Ghana. So here we go. This is a portable fan. Let me also note that most of these, if not all, I got them from Amazon. I also watched a few Ghana vlogs explaining like what you need and stuff. Shout out to those videos because those help me a lot in like trying to figure out like what I absolutely need when I'm there. I see people walking around with these little fans. I don't have one. I was like, that's a need. So this one you can also charge. So it comes with some ports and it comes with the cord so that you can charge it. I don't have the cord with me, but it's like a white cord that comes with it. You just open it up like this, like it like folds like this. Open it up and the first setting is like that. I especially like this because you can charge it. You don't need like many batteries and stuff like that. Just obviously make sure it's charged and then you're good to go. Just get a fan in general, y'all. It is hot in Ghana. Like the next thing I got was some bug spray, y'all. Y'all saw this coming. Get some bug spray for your trip. I actually got this brand before when I went to, I think, Costa Rica. But it is the lemon eucalyptus oil mosquito and tick repellent per. The brand is Murphy Naturals. Got this on Amazon and I think they got a new spray bottle. Okay, because it looked like an oil a little bit, but when I remember the first time I used this, it worked. I get bit by mosquitoes a lot and I think this works, like this particular one. Since we're on the topic of just, you know, like mosquitoes and things like that, I am bringing malaria pills. It is something that you have to get prescribed, so ask your doctor. I don't got no information for you, but ask your doctor. The next thing we got are some adapters. Apple does have a World Traveler adapter kit for your Apple devices. I don't know why I thought Apple was being gracious and like giving us all the different types of adapters for the world. Like I thought they were being cool. I obviously didn't read close enough into it, but it makes sense. It's Apple. They want you to use their product. Apple's too greedy. I don't know why I had any faith in them, but these are specifically for your Apple devices. I got a different adapter that would be helpful for like all my devices, so it doesn't have to be Apple specific, and it's the Septix Pack World Travel adapter. It's here. And it literally says Africa set, so Ghana is an African country. This is off of a quick Google search, but for Ghana there are two associated plug types, D and G. Plug type D is the plug which has 3 round pins in a triangular pattern, and type G is the plug which has 3 rectangular pins in a triangular pattern. Next up we have sunscreen, y'all. Y'all already know. I know them sun rays in Ghana hit different. I'm not even trying to find out. Get some sunscreen, y'all. Please, 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 please get some sunscreen. It's the Madagascar Centella brand. The Airfit Sunscreen Plus, SPF 50 plus PA. Me and sunscreen, we kind of avoid each other a little bit. Like I know a sunscreen, like it's cool or whatever. It was SPF 50 and it said that it doesn't leave a cast, and so I have not tried it yet. Let's go ahead and just try it actually. Now the only thing I wish that I realized about this bottle is that it's really small. It's a small portion. You might need to get 2 of them if you get this sunscreen, but I'm putting on the sunscreen to show y'all if it really doesn't leave a cast. And so far, it smells good. It just smells like sunscreen actually, so nothing really like new. So I think it definitely left a cast. So I don't know. I'm glad I showed y'all. I'm glad I showed y'all what it came out to be, so y'all can decide for yourself. Let's just wait until the end of the video. Maybe it disappears. I don't know, because how could you advertise that and then this is the result? Don't play with me. But okay, we'll see about it at the end. Y'all remind me. I might forget. Okay, cool. So I'm not a frequent, I would say I'm close to a frequent flyer. I've been at least like this past year, I've been visiting, like going back home a lot and stuff like that. And so those trips, especially since I'm out in LA and everything else is like East Coast, like I need to be comfortable. So I went ahead and grabbed myself a plain pillow, airplane pillow, neck pillow. Grab myself a neck pillow. There's this one particular one I saw on TikTok that I wanted instead, but this is very similar to that, so it's probably like a dupe or something. It's the one that has like the flat back on the back, and so instead of like you kind of like rolling your neck back on the regular one, here it is. So here's what I was talking about the flat back. So this part is flat, and then y'all, it comes with like a little hood thing. And so here's what it looks like. I'm weak. And then this part, I don't mess up my lashes, this part covers your eyes so you can sleep. It's kind of a look, don't play with me. But shout out to that girl, because yeah, I was suffering. My neck would always hurt after I get up from the plane, like, or I just couldn't sleep well. So I'm just I feel like this would be nice. And so let me just scoot back real quick. It's much better, y'all. Get y'all one of these for real. It's much better. Yup. Okay, so the next thing I got is this Brita water bottle, and it has a filter in it. A lot of people there recommends that you don't drink water from like those sealable bags. If you have like a sensitive stomach or something, you know, the water there could probably, you know, mess with you a little bit. So I don't know how helpful this one's gonna be. Again, I just did this just to be like safe. Ghana does have a lot of like a bottled water options, so it's not like you gotta go there and just your stomach's about to hurt off of water. Don't go there thinking that. There's plenty of safe drinking water you can drink. Like, you'll be fine. I have water in it right now, but it's really simple, like lightweight. Here's how it looks like, and then the filter is inside this part, the straw part, and so it lasts for 2 months, and so you can just put it inside and then take it to your trip. So I went ahead and grabbed some shower shoes for when I take a shower. Obviously, bring some flip-flops, bring anything that you can like shower with or don't mind getting like wet, dirty, or anything. Just bring some flip-flops. I bring flip-flops on every trip. I personally just feel like if I want to take a shower, I just don't want to put my feet directly on the floor. A pack of travel containers for your lotions, your cleansers, whatever. I think these are good, especially if you have like a large container of something that you have at home that you want to bring with you, and you can just put like a little bit of it in a container. Like, TSA is not gonna let y'all bring all that on the plane, y'all. So get some travel containers and put everything you need in, you know, the little containers. This one came with some labels too, so you can label it however you want. This is what it came with. The bottles that are in here are silicone, which is nice because it won't break easily. We brought a whole container of cleanser. You accidentally took it to TSA pre-check, and they looking at you, you looking at them, they looking at you, you looking at them, and they telling you to throw it away. It hurts the most, especially if it's a hair care product or like a face care. Oh. Okay, so next up, we're gonna talk about some beauty stuff that you probably need. This isn't really necessary, I would say, but it's just really something I saw that I thought would be nice to have, especially like in my carry-on. The 7-in-1 travel toothbrush, but it's a 7-in-1 travel toothbrush and toiletry holder with TSA approved travel toiletry containers, travel size, blah, 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 travel. And it's basically this cute tube. It's about like this big, and top opens up like this, and this is something I just saw on Amazon. I was like, oh, this is cute, you know. But it comes with a toothbrush. There's 2 compartments where you can put like anything in there, so I think whether it be like some cleanser or anything, soap of some kind. So it also comes with a comb. That's cute. I didn't even see that. It's like a small little comb. You can take one of the pumpers out and put something that you want in here. I don't know how much it holds, unfortunately. I think it's really like a convenience, especially for long trips. My trip in total is probably gonna be like 21 hours. So I need to freshen up, and this will be perfect. So instead of like bringing everything individual, I can just put what I need in here and then just take it. Like, the next thing I'm for sure bringing is a beauty mirror. I'm not gonna bring this in like my personal, but it is something good to have, especially if you're staying with like family. You're not necessarily staying in a hotel that you know has a mirror. This is good to have. And this one has 72 LED lights, 3 color lights, can be switched at will, built-in touch sensor switch, longer service life, USB charging is convenient and environmentally friendly. Okay. So I'm just opening it real quick to show y'all. I think this is the charger. Here's what it looks like. Open it, it's a mirror like this. You can change the lights. Y'all see that? That's some nice lighting. That's some nice lighting. If you guys want this one, check out the link in the description. Okay, we're almost done. The next thing I brought is for some spa bands for your hair when you're washing your face or anything like that. This is obviously not necessary, but I think it's going to just be convenient for me. And so I'm opening one up now. Especially if you have like a, you know, a hairdo going on and stuff like that, you want to protect your edges or whatever. This is very helpful. Don't sleep on these. This is my first time using one actually. Usually I just like put something on my head that I already have, but having this I feel like will be very like helpful. And so I'm doing mine really lightly because I have my hair done. Please grab this if you feel like it'll be helpful to you. The one that I got came in pink, white, and black. So we have a couple of options. Bring your makeup bag. I got another makeup bag because the makeup that I have cannot fit in my makeup bag, so here it is. Honestly thought this would be a lot bigger. I'll still use it obviously, so I'll be able to like separate things if I need to, but it's a decent size. Like, it's just like a small to medium size makeup bag, not like the light turquoise color. So self-explanatory. Organizing your makeup or whatever is going to be very helpful to you. So I actually picked this one up from Ulta when I was just restocking on like my face stuff that I needed, that I knew I was going to run out of by the time I get to Ghana. But this is an assortment of face masks that I found at Ulta. It's the Essential Beauty Masks Organic Collection. It contains like a tea tree mask, a retinol mask, a vitamin E mask, and a collagen one. I think those are just like the focuses of all the like different masks. And I'm actually not even done filming today, so I'm going to be using one of these in my preparing for Ghana trip video that's coming, that I'm filming literally right after this. So something to just freshen up the face a little bit. Like, I'm going on a trip, I want to look my best, I want to make sure my face is going to Ghana. Like, you have to like prepare, you know, and so why not make yourself like a spa day? And so I'm excited for that video. I don't know if they have it on their site, but if I do find it on the Ulta site, I will link that below also. So yeah, so it's obvious we're getting to the end because I'm just showing y'all things that I just got for no reason. I got myself a foot mask. Now, I've never tried this. One of my friends tried a foot mask, and she had showed us like her whole foot was coming off, y'all. Her whole feet was coming off, and I just thought, wow, like, my feet needs that. Like, I just want my feet to be nice and soft and, you know, whatever. I should probably do it soon is what I'm thinking, because don't it take like a day or something to have the skin come off? It said wash your feet and dry them, take the mask out of the box, place it into your foot, take off the mask, wash it, wait a couple of weeks. I was doing the most. I just got a foot mask. So if y'all want to get this, again, you already know, link in the description. I might have to like not be able to do this. That's sad, because I thought this was a couple of days kind of thing. I did not think that I would have to wait a couple of weeks for this to do this thing, but okay. Last but not least, the makeup needs for this trip. We're gonna be shaking ass and not cry. Just shout out to TikTok. These are TikTok finds, y'all. And I actually have 2 of these 3 products on my face right now, and this is the maddest I've felt for how long I have the makeup on, if that makes sense. So Usually when I put on makeup, I get like a little like oily, but I use these products. I wanted to make sure I tested it out because I knew I was going to do this video. And I'll describe it a little bit. It's been like 2 hours. First one I'm going to show you is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. It's a party all night, stay all night, airbrush. These are from Sephora though. And I implemented this throughout my makeup process, and so I put foundation on, I spritz a little bit because I'm not saying, I don't know if this is like the type of finishing spray that you do that with, but there are some types that like that's what that's for, like to keep your makeup intact. You spray in between. If you go to Ghana or any other like hot country, this will be good for you. So consider this. You know, I found it on TikTok. So far so good. Like my face feels mattified. Y'all have seen this before. I got the Milk Hydro Primer. They do have a matte one, but this one specifically is like, for lack of better terms, it's sticky, so your makeup sticks to your face better. And so I decided to just grab that one. It's a grip primer, so that's what it does. It like grips the makeup, and I feel like after using it today, like it really did that. So I think this in combination of the spray, these two, which I have on right now, is already doing it for me. Like other spray I got is the OS or O/S, I don't know how to say it, On Till Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. And I haven't used this yet, but like it says, it's waterproof and mattifying. So if you're gonna be doing some like swim activity, I assume this is gonna be like a really helpful spray. It's off like this, kind of looks like a hairspray. I haven't used this, but I assume it's gonna help. And so if you want something probably like a little more waterproof for your water activities or whatever you're trying to do in Ghana, get the OS one too. If you know you're gonna wear makeup, might as well just get the stuff that you need. So just, you look flawless the inside. You always look flawless, but make your makeup look flawless. I also got this really soft robe I found on Amazon, y'all, and I needed a robe. It's so soft, like it's just a plain white robe with a hood. And so, you know, like after your showers or whatever, if you want to just snuggle yourself on one of these, it's really soft, y'all. My boyfriend actually got me like another robe too. It's gray and it's more like towel like. This robe in specific is like really like soft. So you know those robes that you know that you can wear like right after the shower, like those are the robes that you wear, like you can dry yourself with. But these ones is more like after you dried yourself, after you put on lotion and all your other stuff, like you wear it, you know, and like to get ready. It's one of these types. So those are all the stuff I got. You just watch these videos and you make sure that you are prepared for your trip to Ghana or anywhere else that you're going. Don't forget to get your yellow fever vaccine. I got mine a couple days ago. So far so good. I haven't had much symptoms actually. Usually with vaccinations I'd be a little nervous because I'm like, how is this gonna affect me? But it hasn't. And so just make sure you get your yellow fever vaccine. You can get it at Walgreens, or some cities have like immunization, or like I think like Passport Health places where you can get like vaccinations. Make sure you get that. I think it's at least 2 weeks before your trip, but research that because I don't know. What if they change it? Don't quote me. All in all, I'm excited, y'all. I've been really preparing for this Ghana trip, and that's why you haven't seen like much videos or activity. Yeah, we going to Ghana, y'all. I'm gonna be vlogging in Ghana too. Yeah, I'm gonna be vlogging in Ghana, so I can't wait for y'all to see this footage. Like, all right, bye, y'all.
Magic.